Another reason we love growing green peppers in our garden is that the leaves are actually edible and they are so nutritious. What we do is we harvest them and we blanch them and mix them in seasoning and enjoy them. You can stir fry them, you can make soup with them. They have a slightly peppery taste, not too strong, but it's really pleasant. So let's gather some of this pepper leaves and we're going to show you one of my favorite recipes. Let's make a delicious green pepper leaf recipe together. Perfect as a side dish. Give the green pepper leaves a nice wash so they're nice and clean. And then we're going to blanch them. Add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, and then add in our pepper leaves to blanch. We'll place this pepper leaves for about a minute. Then we're going to remove it. Nothing goes to waste. Once I remove these pepper leaves, I use the water as a soup stock. It's great for making egg drop soup. So you whisk up some eggs, you stir it in slowly. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. And of course you can adjust this to your own liking. Some people like it a little bit saltier, some people like it a little bit less. I like it a little bit less. So 1 teaspoon of this light soy sauce. We're gonna mix this up. And this is gonna go in and mixed in with our blanched pepper leaves. Oh, it smells so good already if you can smell this. I love using sesame oil, the nutty flavor. Just so enjoyable with all kinds of greens. So you can pretty much use this sauce recipe with any kind of blanched greens that you like or have in your garden that's fresh. I made it with the pepper leaves today because that's what's in season in our garden. Let's give it a mix. Oh, it's so good. It's so nutritious, so healthy, and I love using fresh vegetable leaves. Now, you can enjoy this as a side dish. And normally what I do is I eat it with some rice and some other proteins or vegetables or side dishes. To finish this off, we're gonna add some toasted sesame seeds. Just give it some crunch. And there you have it. A delicious green pepper leaf side dish.